Welcome back to another video. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and fantastic new year. Now, this is the final income report for 2021, and December is usually the month that most people look forward to. And I was definitely excited about it as it's been my biggest month so far. So check out this video. So the full amount that I earned for December 2021 was $2,738.68. Now to date, that's been the biggest amount I've earned so far in a month. And I'm super excited to earn this amount as I've been on KDP for roughly around maybe a year and a half now. And like most people, you probably watch income reports thinking it would be great if that was you one day getting there. So to earn this amount for me for just a part-time effort, I do have a full-time job and another part-time job, and any spare time that I find, I try and dedicate to KDP. I'm really, really happy with this. And my biggest day of the month was Monday the 13th, and I earned $172.89. And my lowest day, as expected, was Christmas Day, and I only earned $2.12 on that day. So now taking a look at the amount of books that I've sold, and it's amazing to say that I sold over 1,000 books in the month of December, and the total amount was 1,181 books. With the best day again being Monday the 13th, selling 75 paperback copies, and the worst being on Christmas Day, only selling 1 copy. So the next couple figures we're just going to take a look at is my daily average royalties. So I'm just going to divide the amount that I earned for December 2021 by the amount of days in December, and that gives me a daily average royalty of $88.28. And then finally for the average book royalties, so I'm just going to divide again the amount that I earned in December by the amount of books sold, and this gives me a average book royalty of $2.31. Now, I personally just like to have all this numerical data as I'm able to see where I'm progressing and maybe what areas or things that I need to do. So for example, just imagine if you were selling at 1,000 books a month, but you are getting an average book royalty of $3. So that essentially is $3,000 a month. So this is one of the things I'm going to start doing a lot more now, is creating higher quality, higher price books, because I've seen the benefits of the past few months just slowly increasing my average book royalties, and this month has definitely been the highest so far. So just taking a look at the marketplace stats before I go into the best books, and it was quite an even split actually between .com and .co.uk, as they took the majority of my sales, with .com being the most at 50% and .co.uk being roughly 46%. And then what followed was Canada with roughly 1.2%. And then we've got Germany, France, Australia, Spain, Italy, and Japan, a really tiny percentage. But these small amounts, they all add up and go towards the overall income for the month. The next part is just taking a look at my top 5 books. So the first is actually an animal calendar, really did well over the month of December, and these are definitely quite popular during Q4. The next is a coloring book. Now this book I actually outsourced, and I did bring it out a little bit late and during the early month of December, but I did run ads on it, and this book is really doing well for me. It's in an evergreen niche, so I hope that it continues to sell well during the year. The next one we're looking at is my best-selling logbook. Now, this makes me consistent sales during the year. And it probably didn't take me more than 10 minutes to create. So sometimes it just goes to show that even the books that you don't really think they're going to do well, they can sometimes surprise you. Next, we have a Christian calendar, and then the final one is just followed by a sports planner calendar. So those were my top selling books of December 2021. In total, they only probably work out to 35-40% of the total amount that I made in December 2021. Now, this month was my highest spend of ads so far. So just taking a look at the US, you can see that I spent a total of $164.58, which gave me sales of $640.35 with an ACOS of 25.7% and 62 orders in total. Again, I probably let a few ads go out of hand a little bit again as well, because in Q4, you just think you're automatically going to get a lot of sales. And I did let a few of these ads run a little bit longer. So you can see that with the ACOSs of over 30%, you've got 32.15, you've got 38%, you've got 59%, 67%, 62%, and even 75%. And taking a look at the UK, so we can see that my ad spend was £298.47 with sales of over £1,000, having an ACOS of 27.3% and with over 164 orders in total. I was a lot more focused on the UK market as a lot of my ads just seem to be running better. And I kind of forgot quite about the US ads, but you can see there's quite good ACOSs here. Quite a few are roughly 20-25%, and with just a few in the 30% range. This was the first month where I did feel like I had a good understanding of manual ads, and I had quite a few that performed quite well for me. So I am going to do a video on that soon. I also tried sponsored brands as well. And this just allows you to advertise your book brand at the top or bottom of a search. I didn't really have great success with it during this month, but it's something that I'm definitely going to keep trying and see how I can get better at this. And finally, I like to put all this information into a spreadsheet to figure out my net amount. So I put down both my ad spend for the US and the UK into the spreadsheet. I am subject to 20% VAT as I am based in the UK. And then for my subscriptions, so I've got KDP, Champ, Creativefabrica, and Canva. This month, I also spent quite a bit of money outsourcing a few projects to talented designers, saving me doing a lot of the work. And this just included coloring books and activity books, which cost me a total of $336.14. So my total expenses were $936.14, which brings my net income for the month of December 2021 to $1,800.54. Thank you for watching this video and my other videos throughout the year of 2021. Let me know in the comments how December went for you also, and just wishing you lot a great year ahead.